This is the Olympus L-1, a 35mm film camera with a zoom range of 35mm to 135mm. I bought this camera in Japan for $10. So let's take it to the city and see what kind of photos we can get. So with that being said, welcome to Killer Entertainment, and this is Into the Lens. Okay, so let's talk about my first impressions using the camera. First of all, I noticed how comfortable it was to use. Now, yes, it is on the heavy side, but this grip right here and having the zoom rocker on the lens just has such a great feel to it. Now, this was the first time I ever shot black and white film, and one thing I noticed was that my shooting style changed. I started to frame differently and find different types of subjects that I wouldn't really pay attention to. I was mainly shooting for shadows and highlights, looking for those slithers of light, finding sort of contrasting subjects. Now, I did make one mistake. I was shooting in auto on this camera and I thought it would be fine, but actually the camera was metering a little bit weird and my shutter speed was a lot lower than I was expecting. And because of that, there's a lot of motion blur in a lot of these photos. At first, I didn't like it, but after a while, after looking at it, it started to grow on me. I think it gave it a little bit of an artistic flavor that maybe the photos might have needed. Or maybe that's just me trying to make an excuse for my mistake. would I shoot with this camera again? I think I would. I think I would try colored film in it, and I would also put it in shutter priority. I think it would be interesting to see if I can get some better results out of this camera. So with that being said, make sure you like this video if you did indeed like it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next episode of Into the Lens.